Fiverr, get more voiceover sales. I'm Peter Baker. I've been a successful Fiverr Pro seller for years. I'm co-founder of VoiceoverMasterclass.com. Now, here's how to get more voiceover sales on Fiverr. Tip 1. First, create multiple gigs. Even when you start out, you're allowed 7 gigs. When you get to Pro, you're allowed unlimited gigs. Have you just got 1 or 2? Listen, you're leaving money on the table, honestly. Even if you actually offer one main type of service, create multiple gigs with different subcategories, which then have different names and different keywords to snare more customers who are searching. For voiceover offers, for example, create separate gigs for each voice style or character voice you offer, or different gigs for the various different uses of the voiceover, such as promo script, tourism guide, documentary, audiobook work, character voice work, and so on. It may be the same voice from you, but a different use, thus a different gig. Have a separate gig for each character type of voice, and so on. Ring the changes with relevant but appropriate keywords as the actual keywords you're allowed to include, plus those all-important keywords that are there in your gig description text. For example, use voiceover as one word in the gig title, but maybe use voice over 2 words in another. Tip 2, think outside the box. For example, if you're a voice artist and you also know the basics of video production and can use PowerPoint, well, offer to narrate clients' PowerPoint files and return to them finished HD video files. That's a great gig in yourself. You voice it, you edit it together, everybody's happy. Or you can create English versions of non-English videos with your voice and use your video editing skills there. Be creative with what extra skills you have. Tip 3, have an excellent thumbnail graphic on Fiverr. Think clickbait. Your thumbnail needs to be attractive, bright, and positive. Canva.com have loads of templates that you can customize or start from scratch in Photoshop. However, you must stick to the strict Fiverr rules of text use and logos on your thumbnails. Then, when clients click your highly attractive link, have a short and professional video to show you know what you're talking about and they can trust you. Make sure the pictures and sound on your video are really top quality. Tip 4. This next tip is so important. Always reply quickly to clients. The Fiverr bots start a stopwatch for every client inquiry and for every order. The faster you reply, the faster you deliver the order, the faster Fiverr will promote you up the rankings to show first in the rankings for the selected keywords, and then you go up the seller levels, you become a Fiverr Pro, you can really boost your income and enjoy many more benefits. And tip 5, if you want a step-by-step detailed guide to becoming a successful seller on Fiverr, check out the 2 best-selling courses we have at Voiceover Masterclass. The links are below. One course is aimed at voiceover artists and voice actors, the other aimed at all the other skills and services where you can coin in a great income on Fiverr. Check this out now.